Hello. Today we'll learn liaison, where sounds link smoothly, and the sound changes behind it. Let's begin. When a syllable with a batchim is followed by one starting with
the
batchim slides over into that spot. This smooth linking is called liaison. For example,
음악,
music links its batchim over and sounds like
음악,
you write,
음악,
but you read.
음악. 옷이,
The clothes links its batchim over to become
옷이.
The batchim glides into the next slot.
꽃이,
The flower links its batchim over to become
꽃이.
The batchim sound carries into the next syllable. Practice with words.
책을,
Reads as
책을.
and
한국어,
reads as.
한국어.
Hear the batchim glide over? Batchim weakens and almost disappears before a vowel. So,
좋아요,
sounds soft like.
좋아요. 웃어요,
Reads as.
웃어요.
And
있어요,
reads as.
있어요.
The batchim links over, that's liaison. You write the batchim as it is, but you read it by gliding it over. Spelling and pronunciation differ. Knowing this makes your Korean much more natural. In some, when a batchim meets, it slides over into liaison.
음악,
스,
음악. 옷이,
스.
옷이.
Read it flowing smoothly. Today we learned liaison and sound rules. Look for liaison in your favorite song lyrics. See you next time.